For your final option, you may choose to do the body biography. You're going to use the template on the second page, which is essentially just a trace out of a body. And on the body, you're going to place visuals and symbols to represent yourself. On the third page, you'll write a 2-paragraph explanation of each symbol and how it relates to you. So the directions say, using the body biography template, create a visual representation of yourself using symbols, pictures, and original text, and then write two well-crafted paragraphs explaining what you drew for each part of your body and what they symbolize. On the first page is just an outline of what you might put for each part of the body. So for example, the head says, what do you think? Consider your virtues or vices. What is your focus? What do you see as your goals? For the mouth, you might put something that you say. What does your voice or tone sound like? And then you continue that for the other parts of the body. You might consider the following when you prepare. Think about the colors you use. It should be colorful and bright, and the colors might represent something for you. You just want it to be visually pleasing. Think about symbols. So plan ahead what objects or things are symbolic to you or symbolize something for you. And then words. So you can use words. I would try not to make the whole thing where you're writing out what it represents, because you'll be doing that on the written portion. So try to do more of the visuals, more of the symbols, but you can do words if you need to express yourself that way. I have hard copies, so I would expect that most of you are doing this by hand. If you have some other way that you want to do it on the computer, just talk to me first so I can make sure it's doable and acceptable. And then if you do the hard copy, you can do the paragraphs right on the third page, which will be printed. That way everything's on one sheet.